Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese in Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. To get started, you'll need to visit Hateno Village. This special ingredient isn't something you can simply cook up from milk. Instead, it's tied to a particular questline that introduces you to the local dairy farming. Follow these steps to unlock this delicious item and use it in your culinary adventures across Hyrule. It's a fun process that adds a unique flavor to your dishes. Your journey to acquire Hateno cheese begins at Hateno Pasture, located just east of Hateno Village. Seek out Koyin, who you'll find by the docks of Lake Sumac. She's distressed because a crucial letter from her grandfather is trapped in a bottle out on the lake. This A Letter to Koyin side quest is your first step. Offer your assistance to retrieve the bottle, and you'll be well on your way to unlocking Hateno cheese. To retrieve the message in a bottle for Koyin, you'll need to use your Ultra Hand ability. You can construct a small raft with nearby materials or create ice platforms across Lake Sumac to reach it. Once you've successfully brought the bottle back to shore, deliver the letter to Koyin. She will then head inside her house to read the important message, which reveals the secret to Hateno cheese. This step is key to progressing. After you deliver the letter, Koyin will reward you with one piece of Hateno cheese. More importantly, she will then open a dedicated cheese shop right in her house at Hateno Pasture. From this point on, you can purchase additional Hateno cheese for 20 rupees each, or you can trade one bottle of fresh milk for one piece of cheese. This makes Hateno cheese a readily available ingredient for all your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.